stop for coffee at this very nice place. It doesn't have an English name, so
The name is Reuannamphung.
yeah, we are at the map here as well.
So here you see the spelling of Reuannamphung, and also what might help you find it easier, Wat Huay Mongkol has lots of signs, is right around the corner, or Google Maps has it. This cafe has a very relaxed vibe to it. Just arrive, check the temperature, have a look around, lots of baked goods, cookies, some cakes, ice cream. The coffee that's being prepared looks really, really good. Going to try some later as well. And yeah, everything smells and looks delicious.
Beautiful place. Wait. Can look around. Oh, very nice. Yum. Oh, honey, it's so nice. Wow, amazing. So amazing. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So จริงๆ
Just really amazing. It is artificial. It feels like it has almost grown naturally. So the plants would be home to Thailand, and they're real plants. But the waterfall and the fog, there's just subtle things that make it even more appealing. It's just, but it all feels really, really natural. So quite immersive to come here. Yeah. Coffee is with 100 baht on the bit on the higher end, but not too high, given that you can just enter, have a walk around, and you really feel like you're in the rainforest for a few moments. And let's have a walk around a bit further. When you drive by, you really can't miss the place. Already the exterior is decorated really, really nice along this otherwise not really special road here. If you've enjoyed this video, please check out our other videos on the left side, or click the little icon on the right side to subscribe and get our almost daily updates.